Hi, Carrie Beth. Welcome to the Birdbrain office. Kelsey, people. So I think I've got the solution to your question right here. What you're going to need to do is build a mechanism that looks something like this. So we've got some linkages that I built using brads and popsicle sticks. And we'll kind of go into this a little bit closer in just a second. But first I'm going to show you the program. So you can see that the program is moving the servo only 15 degrees, and you're able to get all of this movement out of it. And that's just because of the way this linkage is sort of set up. If I were to move this arm out this way, put the hole here instead, this would move slower. If I were to move this arm in, it would move differently. That would be a great thing for your students to sort of play with, just to see how moving those points affects the way the arm swings. But to go into the actual construction of this, these are the tools I used. So we had a popsicle stick, had the brass brads, hot glue gun, I had some scissors, and then I have this super handy dandy hole puncher, which I used to, if you'll excuse me, sort of stick that in there. It's hard to do this with one hand. There you go. And it'll just poke holes right through popsicle sticks, no problem. The last thing I had to use was a little bit of just scrap cardboard, and I used that to make a little stopper that goes right here, and I also used it to make a little washer that goes right in there. I needed that washer to give it some space because this arm was getting jammed up on that brad. So if we were to go into this a little bit closer, you'll see that this is actually glued on to that servo arm. The servo arm itself is not attached, so I could kind of unattach that and just sort of slide it back on. That helps a lot with calibration. Sorry, again, doing this all one-handed. And yeah, that's sort of the short of it. If you have any further questions, please let me know, and I will talk to you very soon. Thanks.